Our friend had come out to visit us, so we had to put some bumpers up, as usual. And now he's going to go sail back into the bay. He's the guy who sails in and off the hook. And Grandma Bonnie is down here sorting parts out. Yes.
I got my hood on. You think it was cold, right?
It is kind of chilly. It is chilly. It's actually not bad, but if you can't get warm, it would be a chilly day to be out getting cold. But the sun's out. The sun is warm. There he goes. He's got his. Yep, there goes the jib. It's untangling some lines. And now he will be reefing it down in a second. And he'll go to the back of the boat. And he'll be on his way. So, preparing last things, we got our stern line out. And other ones up there. Sunny day. And we're preparing to take measurements, last materials and things we're going to do. Put some big beams going out through here. All this goes tomorrow. And the rest of the stowage here goes below, all except the outboard. This will stay up for a couple more days. And the generator, and the cans. There he goes, underway. Alright. Wishing you all a good evening. Sunset to boot.